5K Fox, South Bay's classic rock, Chris Jackson. It's this simple. If Friday was a band, what band would it be? According to Kevin in Willow Glen, it's AC/DC. Now, which song would it be? It's got to be the one I'm playing next.
Makita knows that pros never settle, and neither do we. With Makita, you get tools that perform at the highest level on every job without compromise. Makita is for the most